Alright, I'm just going to go over quickly everything that I either upgraded or planning upgrading in the future and what I have on my bike currently. First things first, this is the Shimano Olivio M430 rear derailleur. My previous derailleur was pretty much bent, out of shape. It was rough and worn out, so I had to upgrade to the Olivio M430 mountain bike version. I guess with the derailleur mount, I guess we had to like thread it in because the thread sizes were not the same, so a little bit of hack job, but whatever. The cassette's still the same. I'm going to be upgrading that soon to a M400. So right now it's, I don't know how well you can see it, but it's pretty worn. It shifts like absolute garbage. Next thing on the list, I guess we can go up here. The Brooks was a B16 or B18 leather saddle. It served me pretty well. You can see, I don't know how well you can see it, but there's a little rough patches everywhere. I got into a few accidents, so, but it's held up pretty well. Then you got the Topeak medium saddle. I have I think a Blitzu rear light. Opening this up, oh god, pretty much standard fare. You got a Crank Brothers multi-tool, patch kit, tubes, and a tire lever kit. Going down here, we have the Crank Brothers stamped 3 large pedals. I didn't want to go clipless because I just didn't think I would like it, and plus it, you know, you gotta buy the shoes plus the pedals, and having to learn a brand new system, I'm not at that level yet, so I decided just to go with platform pedals, and this being a large version, it really helps me like really set my foot down and get more power and things like that. So highly recommend it if you're looking for new platform pedals. Next up, SRAM X9 front derailleur. As I said earlier, the front derailleur on my bike previously was pretty much broken. It didn't shift at all, so it just had to be replaced. There's really not much to say about that. Bottle cages. Let's go to the handlebars. So this is the Ergon GP3 handlebars with the bar ends. This handlebar is super comfortable, as you can see here. Gel-like material. It's very soft on when you grip it. Same thing with these bar ends. I really have no other complaints. I could have got the GP4 with the longer bar ends, but I think this will suit me fine. Alright. This thing is I think it's like a Blitzu 390, which is 390 lumens bike light. It's pretty straightforward. USB port for charging. I don't know, not much to say about that. El Cheapo, you know, phone mount. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Like I said, it's served me okay so far. I've learned a lot because, you know, a lot of the components were already kind of broken once I got my bike, and it taught me a lot with, you know, bike repair, bike maintenance, and things like that. So like I said, it's the gift and the curse, and I think I'll keep this bike for a very long time at this point. So anyways, thanks for watching. If you guys enjoyed it, please let me know, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.